Ever wondered how to make the juiciest goat meat in Kenya? Made in Kenya. Welcome to Nyaboke's kitchen. I will show you how to prepare the juiciest roast goat meat ever. So I take a double-sided pan and I put the meat into the pan. I don't use any oil. I'm very healthy in the way I do my cooking. So stay on for more. Subscribe. In this video, I'll take you behind
the secrets of the most well-made fried goat meat. So guys, stay around for this. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, so I've taken the goat meat, I've put it in the deep fry in the microwave, and I've put it in the double-sided pan. I'm trying to avoid using oil. So I'm putting in some hot water so that I can boil it just a bit, so that I can make sure that the goat meat is boiled and soft and well cooked. So there we are. I've put just a little water so that I make sure that the goat meat cooks. Remember, we are using the oil of the goat meat. We are not adding any oil. So I'll keep turning it so that you can be able to make the goat meat to the best that we can and make it yummy, yummy. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. So it's just to turn it. I've realized that the meat needs to be cut into pieces. So once the meat is soft, I've cut it into pieces. And this goat meat has oil. So what I've done is I just boiled a bit. The water is over. I've put in some salt. You can season if you want to, but I chose not to season. I love the goat meat the way it is. The only thing I've added is salt. So there I am on low heat. I'm turning the meat slowly by slowly. Turning the meat on low heat. So you cook the meat on low heat, and there we are. It is so yummy. You can just imagine. So with low heat, to keep turning it until it's ready. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Next, make sure that you keep watching my videos. Welcome. Thank you for watching.